Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize, I've been away for a little while, but for my credit, I do have about like 5 videos waiting to be uploaded. I just have to edit them, and I don't feel like editing them, so I gotta get some motivation. You guys inspire me, motivate me to edit these videos so I can push out more material. Hello. Real quick, excuse the growling and hissing that you hear. I just got a new kitten. Okay, so she said hi. This video today is going to be about a PR package unboxing. So as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, hopefully you are, I've been writing to a lot of makeup brands. Not really asking or begging to be on any PR list, but just expressing how much I love their products, what products I love, and just including some photos of me using their products and a link to my Instagram. And yeah, like about 5 or 6 brands actually replied back. I was like completely shocked because I didn't expect any of them to write back. Some of the brands wrote back, and Maybelline was one of them. Like, I literally wrote them Sunday night, and Monday morning I woke up to an email asking what my shipping address was and that they were very excited to get my feedback. And I was like, oh my god. And like other brands, I've sent them my address, but I haven't received anything yet. So for me to get an actual box from Maybelline was like awesome. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. I know you are dying to see what is all inside of this box. So I'm going to show you. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box it came in, right? Basic box. Let me open it and we can see what's inside. So they sent a bunch of black stuff, which I think is kind of fun. And they also sent, it's all messed up, but a bunch of makeup. Like, there's about like 20 something products in here, and me being picky, I actually like calculated it up, and it's almost like $230 worth of makeup, which isn't a lot, but considering I didn't have to pay for anything, that was pretty cool. And on top of that, I've been using Maybelline products for years, so I am like super excited to be receiving a box from them, and I'm going to continue to share my feedback with them, continue posting pictures and tagging the brand, and really just promoting these products because for one, they're amazing, hello, and two, like, it's more than just the product itself, it's the company as a whole. They stand for something that's bigger than just, you know, makeup. So anyways, let me just show you guys what is inside the box, because I know that's why you guys came here, right? You didn't come here to hear me gush about the brand and, you know, all the products and the, you know, the reason behind it and all that stuff. You just want to see what I got. So let me show you. So I got 3 different types of foundation, I guess. The Fit Me foundation. You guys, this is like the best foundation ever. I use this mostly for everyday stuff. This is the matte and poreless, and I love a matte look. Nothing beats a matte look unless you want to do like a dewy look or something like that. This is the best foundation, the Fit Me from Maybelline, and I am 355. That's my shade, 355. So they sent me 355 Fit Me foundation. They also sent me the Fit Me stick, foundation stick, in 330. I don't know if you can see that, in 330, and I use this as like a highlight right here. I'm not wearing it right now. I am wearing Becca Cosmetics, but right after this video, I'm gonna do a full face using nothing but Maybelline products, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so they sent the Fit Me foundation in 355, which is my color. They also sent the Fit Me stick foundation in 330, which is awesome because it's a lighter color and it's easier for me to apply. And they also sent a BB cream, you guys. This is amazing. I love BB creams. I love BB cream, so I'm super excited that they sent me one. And the one that I had before wasn't pomegranate, you know, it didn't have pomegranate extract in it, and that's what this has. But this is just a sheer tint, you guys, so if you don't want like full coverage like the Fit Me foundation provides, you can definitely use a, you know, a BB cream, and that's just like a sheer, you know, light coverage. It's just, you know, just for like, you know, something simple, like a few swipes and you're good to go. So it's nothing full coverage or anything, but it's definitely worth trying, worth getting, okay? And that's the BB cream. So that's for the face. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Oh, that's for the face. We're gonna move on to the brows. So they sent me, you guys, check this out. A brow. They sent me, check it out, guys. A tattoo studio. Don't know if you can see it. Anyways, it's a tattoo studio eyebrow tinter, y'all. Eyebrow tint pen, and look, it has like the little strokes. So when you go to use it, can you stop? So this is the Brow Studio pencil. As you can see, it does come in little strokes like that. And it really does tint your brows. I didn't use it today, but like I said, stay tuned and I'm gonna do a full face using all these products. But this is an eyebrow tinter. I had one like this before, but it wasn't Maybelline, and it was really dark, and it made my eyebrows look very weird, like creepy weird. So I'm super glad that they sent one, and it's, you know, good for me. Like, it's my color, it'll match my complexion. So that's a win for them. Score. Okay, next up is eyes. So they sent 3 types of liners, you guys. They sent a white eyeliner, and a white eyeliner is perfect to make your eyes look bigger if you want to have that big old eye, a big old doll looking. You'll use the white liner. If you want a liquid liner, this is the perfect one, y'all. Like, it writes perfectly. I actually used it today, but like I said again, when I do a full face, you'll see it. But that's the Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and it is in color cobalt blue, so it's a dark blue. And then they just sent a pencil eyeliner, basic black. So that's for the eyes, white, black, and blue liner. And moving on to mascara. Of course, everybody loves themselves some falsies mascara. Maybelline sent me 2 dulce, 1 for each eye. No, but seriously, this, you know, you guys, this mascara is very awesome. And they sent 2 of them, which is better for me because once I start doing other people's makeup and stuff, I'll have go-to mascaras to use. Again, still on the eyes, right? They sent me, y'all ready? 4 mini eyeshadow palettes. Okay, 4 of them. And look at these colors, you guys. Like, y'all, this is called this is called Skyscape Dusk, like a purple, and then it even has on the back, you know, Concrete Runway. This is very pretty. And then they have a picture on the back. They sent Downtown Sunrise, and the picture on the back. And the last one is Blushed Avenue, and that's the picture on the back. So they sent 4 of these mini eyeshadow palettes, and you guys, as you guys can tell, the colors are awesome. Look at that silver glitter right there. Like, I am so excited to use them and make some bomb A looks, okay? Okay, and then of course, they couldn't have not sent, and then of course, they sent the Lemonade Craze palette. Y'all, I didn't even open this yet. I'm like super excited. I'm definitely gonna be using this in tonight's look. Lemonade Craze palette. And on the back, it has 3 different eye looks that you can get, and it tells you how to do it. What, you know, what colors to use and which area. Perfect and genius. Like, oh my gosh. And I've seen a lot of girls doing reviews and doing looks with this Lemonade Craze, so I'm about to hop on the bandwagon and do my own look too. So that's all for the eyes. Next up are the lips. For the lips, they sent me a Prime It Up lip plumper. I haven't used this yet. This is the lip plumper that they sent, along with the Master Glaze lipstick scrub. So they sent the lip primer and a lip scrub. So this is like to prep my lips before I put any of the other goodies that they sent on. So a lip scrub, so scrub my lips, you know, do the little scrub thing, pop some lip primer on, and then I can choose what kind of lips I want to have. Do I want to have 24-hour stay lip gloss? You know, some lipstick 24 hours. And it's 2-sided, 2 steps. So you have step 1, which is to apply the color how you want to. Step 2 is to put the seal-in coat, on top. And that's just like a clear, you know, a clear chapstick. It looks like a clear chapstick, but you really just put it on and it seals the color in place. And y'all, when I tried this on, I wasn't really sure what was going on because I'm like, this is odd. I would think that I would put the, you know, the gloss part on after. No, you put the gloss on first, then you put the little chapstick sealer on, and your lipstick will not move. My lipstick did not move, and I'm like, crap, how am I gonna get this off? But the color was very pigmented. It was amazing. And like I said, it did not go anywhere. I was literally kissing my hand. Nothing came off, like, y'all. And they sent me 5 of these. So these are some very, very pretty colors. Look at these colors. This color, does it have the name on here? Nope. Oh, they do. Okay, so there's, and they sent 5 colors. This one is All Night Apricot. This is Absolute Taupe. This one is Relentless Ruby. We have Stay Scarlet, which is this one. And the last color they sent is Merlot Amour. So these are the 5 colors that they sent, you guys. These are lasting, very, very long, 24 color stay. Literally last 24 hours. The best things, you guys. These are amazing. And that's not all they sent. They sent 2 more groups of things. So the next thing that they sent is lip as well. They sent these bad boys, and these are lipsticks. And if you look closely, it's actually a mirror. So I can literally put my lipstick on and look at myself in the mirror because these are mirrors. And these are, they look like lipsticks. They are lipsticks, but they're also lip glosses. Like, it's very, very glossy. I like my lipstick more of a matte, you know, but when I put one of these on, I was like, oh, okay, you know, because the color was pigmented, it was shining, it just looked amazing. And y'all, these lipsticks, and like, dude, it has a mirror on the case. Like, how awesome is that? The colors that I got, this is Spicy Mauve. This is Spicy Sangria. Let me show you. Spicy Sangria. Hear my little accent trying to come out? This is undressed pink. And then we got Pink Fetish. And that's that. This is the one that I tried on and I was like, okay. So yes, these are the lipsticks that they sent. They're shiny glosses. Pretty colors. And the last thing that they sent, y'all. These lip glosses. Lip shine glosses. Y'all, let me turn them on one way first. And the last thing that they sent, y'all, are these 4 lip glosses. Okay, y'all see these? Do you see that gold though? Like, yo, look at these. This is an Electric Shine Prismatic Lip Gloss in the color Cosmic Light. So this is a very pretty purple. Y'all see it? All right. We got Electric Shine, same title, Electric Shine, but this is in Lunar Gem, and this is more of like a dark purple. So we got the light purple, we got the dark purple. Next we have another Electric Shine, but this is in Moonlit Metal. So this is more of like a middle color. So that's these purplish. You see them? And we got the Glitter Fix Glitter Lip Gloss. And this is glitter. And this is in Gold Boost. Y'all, these are amazing. I had wore the gold and I was like, whoa. This is amazing. And you guys, like, I love lipstick. I like wearing bold colors, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking this gold. I'm gonna be rocking these purples. I'm gonna be rocking the lip glosses, the lipsticks, the 24-hour stays. I'm gonna be rocking everything. You wanna know why? Do you think it's because they sent me a box? No, it's because I genuinely love the brand. And, you know, eventually I would have went out and bought all this stuff anyway. So it's a win-win. But that's all that I have. That's all that came in the box. I'm going to show you guys one more time. You know, it's a bunch of stuff in here, you guys. And I am tremendously grateful. Like, completely grateful. This is almost $230 worth of products that they sent me. And I'm just like, mind blown. Like, this is just like crazy. So I cannot wait to do some videos, do some pictures, review more stuff. Like, I am so amped up, so ready to put more content out, use all these products, and just keep grinding and keep making and doing what I love. So yeah, that was my PR haul. As more brands send, you know, their boxes to me and I, you know, have time, I'm gonna unbox them on live with y'all. And I'm gonna do a YouTube review. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. Simply Shanique is my name on Instagram. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love this video. All right, bye.